my mechanic figured out what the problem was. What he did was he pulled out the dipstick slightly a little bit and the leak stopped. So the reasoning of the squeak was because of the intake manifold bottom plate gasket needed to be replaced. Again, the intake manifold bottom plate gasket, once he replaced that, squeak was gone. It was so annoying. He did a lot of debugging, a lot of troubleshooting to figure it out, and then finally he just he thought of it, and again, just pulled the dipstick out slightly. Squeak was gone. So get that gasket replaced. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.